Boys and girls, let's give multiplying exponents. You have an exponent and you multiply it by another exponent. What do you get? Let's take a look at a few. Multiplying exponents. What do I mean by multiplying exponents? Let's take a look at, let's say, 5 to the second power times 5 to the third power. Well, what does that look like? Well, 5 to the second power would look like 5 times 5 times 5 to the third power, which would be 5 times 5 times 5. Okay, and sure enough, if I just count how many times 5 is a factor, I know that this is going to be 5 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 times. Let's take a look at another one. Let's try a variable. Let's say if I say x to the fourth power times x to the second power. Well, that would look like x times x times x times x, and that's going to be times x to the second power, which is x times x, which is x to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, sixth power. Now, what am I doing? I'm counting up how many times x is a factor of x to the fourth power times x to the second power. But there's a shortcut. To get from here to here, all I have to do is I have to say that it's equal to x to the 4 plus 2 power. That will give me x to the 6th power. The same is true up here. This is really just 5 to the 2 plus 3 power, which will give me 5 to the 5th power. So, x to the a power plus x to the b power is always going to be equal to x to the a plus b power. So we can sum this up. When I multiply exponents, with the same base, the base stays the same, oh, didn't want to do that, just want to scooch it up. The base stays the same, and the exponents are added. And that's exactly what I did here. Okay? 5 to the second power times 5 to the third power, I just added those exponents together to get 5 to the 5th power. X to the 4th power times x to the 2nd power is just x to the 4 plus 2 power, which is x to the 6th power. So here we have it. That's our rule, that's the pattern for multiplying. As always, boys and girls, I hope that was helpful, and if you have any questions, please bring them to class tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.